Okay guys, this is my cannibalized Yamaha OEM handguards installed over the Zeta aluminum handguards. As I have previous videos and I wanted to just show you, I told you I was going to cannibalize these covers here, deflectors, but you'll see my other video with putting on the Zetas. They didn't fit my setup, so I had to put some, I cannibalized the metal from these original handguards. Remember that metal that went on there? Cannibalized that to join these together to that. And then I cannibalized the covers. As you can see, I cut off the round thing. Now you won't get dirt in that nut when you drop it. I just drilled these, zip tied them in because they were sticking out, and maybe they'll break, but I got zip ties in the bag. But I think they actually came out really sturdy. These are some stainless Allen heads I bought. The bars are already threaded, so they're ready. You can see I left that on there. I might cut that off just to make it look cleaner, but it kind of looked a little handy. Both sides are done. You can zip tie in there. I don't know if you want your zip tie heads on top or on bottom like I did over there, but I always I hate those sharp things on the zip ties, so I melted the tips off of those because when I go to grab the bike, maybe if I don't have gloves on, I don't want to get pricked, which I already did. Anyway, you can see I left that tab on too. I might cut it off like I said, but I don't know, maybe there'll be some use for that. But anyway, it came out really good. I was able to drill these all the way down. If you had a heat gun, it might be a little more cooperative, but it wasn't a big deal. I just forced them on. And man, they're going to be tough. I mean, I was actually surprised these guards didn't break the number of times I dropped it. I thought they would split right here and be dangling, flapping in the wind. But as you can see, I just carved that off. And I mean, I can't ask for really a better setup, you know, no cost. I mean, they were just going to sit on your shelf forever. Why not use them? It literally took me, it did take me 20, 25 minutes to, you know, fit these and drill them out or whatever and force them on. Now that I've done it once, I probably could do it in 10 minutes. But if you want it kind of clean and, you know, so forth, then you'll take your time. But anyway, just thought that would help. Appreciate any likes and subscribes. I hope it helps you guys. There'll be some links down below to the Zeta bars and to my other video about doing this, the Zeta bars, and what a pain they were. I had to cut this metal all to pieces and cut the nuts off, get that all off. But it all worked out. They're tough. They're indestructible. And the price was good. The link will be down below. Talk to you guys later. Appreciate it.